ordinary reptile, she's been teaching me valuable lessons about the environment and the importance of protecting it. Peach may seem small in size, but she is a reminder of the complex ecosystems in our world. As a reptile, she needs a balanced environment to thrive. From the temperature of her habitat to the freshness of food and water, every part of Peach's well-being depends on the environment. However, our environment, Peach's environment, faces many threats from cutting down trees to air pollution to climate change. These challenges not only endanger the survival of animals like Peach, but also the future of our planet as a whole. That's why it's so important for us to take action to protect the environment. In caring for Peach, I've come to learn that we are all connected, that one cannot exist without the other. So let's work together to protect our environments, not just for Peach, but for our future too. Let's protect Peach's home. Let's protect our home. Thank you for listening.
다음 113번 이시연.